back for day 3, but we're doing 20 golf balls because I was gone for so long with my bum elbow. Here we go. That's a good start. We always have a good start on this channel. You know that. You guys know. You know what it is. Oh, damn, we're off to a brilliant start this time. But that's why we got 20. That's why we have 20. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. That was actually pretty good. We got the good start out of the way. Now we can move on to the bad stuff, right? Yeah. Oh. If I could have got a better bounce on that, could you imagine? Elbow strap, and I just think that the elbow sleeve actually does a little bit better of a job than the tennis elbow strap does for the golfer's elbow. You know, some people say differently, but I would disagree. I think the elbow sleeve works better. This hill is just, it's gross. Can't figure out my footing really. I'm also fairly new to this kind of a shot. Oh my gosh, that could have dunked. That could have dunked. No one saw any of that. That didn't happen. No one saw that. Alright, we're approaching 5 balls. Man, I hope you guys got a good view of that, because wow, that was the shot of the day, I think. I really think so. Oh, I went through the fence. Bye-bye, ball. Bye-bye, birdie. Back's starting to feel it. Fun. I enjoy doing this. I wish my elbow was in better condition, but I do really love doing this. Dog shit. Hope you guys are all having a good day, enjoying everything as it warms up outside. I know moving on. off the hose again. Last ball. Well, that concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully my elbow stays in good condition. I'll see you in day 4. Thank you.